We have the level 2 charger installed. I called the electricians, but they cannot come like right away. There's a wait time for about a week. So we did lots of research and watched lots of YouTube videos and decided to get this one, the EVIQO. The main panel is 200 amp. When we build a house, I like the dryer and washer to be in the basement. So we have a laundry chute and then a dryer and washer in the basement. We converted the first floor laundry room to a small kitchen. So that's a spare kitchen. The line is 220 line. We rarely use that cooktop, so I decided we can just use that line, but replace it with 60 amp breaker. So the line comes out of the main breaker and then goes up along the side of the outside wall, and just continue on to the side over there. And this above the basement concrete, there's a, I think it's 12-inch by 2-inch board, and once we drill a hole through, it's in the garage. So these two are the 30 amp, the old lines that are going into the laundry room, the first floor laundry room, and then this white one is the gauge 6 wires that are going into the garage for the charger. So this is the other side of the wire. It just goes up and go across. So the wire went all the way to the outside of the garage and then came down to the charger. Here's the connection of the number 6 wire and the charger. This is the connector that we use. Eventually I'm going to have the connection put in a box. It took us on and off. I think we started around like 1 p.m. and then finished by 9 p.m. but we didn't really work on it non-stop. We had to go to the store and get some parts. The number 6 wire, we got an outdoor type, which is kind of expensive. It's about $5 something per foot, and we got 65 foot. I need to clean up this mess. So I can park the car a little bit closer to the window, and then have the charger maybe attached to where those 2 planes are right now. It's the box that we use to enclose the wires. It's really nice to have the level 2 charger. With the portable charger, I only get about probably 2 miles per hour. And this thing, I set it to 32 amp.
and I think it's about 30 miles per hour, which is really good. The only thing with the charging kit that I have problem with is the connector. I think they should provide a connector, and it doesn't really say, like on the instruction, it doesn't really say what to use. And I searched up online, like there were different people saying different things, so it'd be nice if they just included it. And the other thing is the wire that comes, it has really tiny copper wire inside. The one that I got from Lowe's, the number 6 wire, has a thicker copper wire inside, although they are all, both of them are strained wires. The one that I got from Lowe's actually has a better quality, I think, because the copper inside is thicker and it's easier when I try to push it through to the connector.